Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to install Opera browser on Windows 11. This guy is very easy. First open any Chrome browser and type Opera and click web www.opera.com. Click this link and here click on download now. Click set up a link and here you see options installing. I have already installing, that is why here upgrading option is available. You have not installing you and here you see installing, click on it. Wait for a while. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment, and this video is useful or not, please comment and subscribe my channel for latest update.